Okay. Hi, I'm Bruce Lindsay, delivering a 1910 belt drive Harley-Davidson to the museum this morning. It's a nice day for a ride. Now, this is a 1910 model Harley. This is one of their first real production years. They sold over 1,000 motorcycles. Sold their first bike in 1904. It was similar to this, so there was a little more bicycle-like. It had a rigid fork, not a sprung fork. Frame was a little lighter. Everything was a little more bicycle-like. Sold one of them in 04. In 05, they sold about 15 of them. By 1910, they're making 1,000 already. Little glass window here, so you can see drip, drip, drip. That's just about the right rate of oil drip. I'm going to push this little button here and prime the carburetor a little bit. Set the belt tensioner. Retard the spark, which lifts the exhaust valve. The left handle grip there. Right is the throttle, just like a modern motorcycle. And we're going to pedal it over and see if it goes. Smooth it out of Harley single. Might have called the silent gray color because the man's so smooth and so quiet. If you don't want to be quiet, we've also got the exhaust cut out here. Pressure release. Looks like they run good. Gas off, wheel off, belt tensioner off. Ready for the next ride.